Alright, so about a week ago I ordered these grills for the BMW. I haven't put them on yet because I wanted to change out something else while I was in there, and I don't want to have to take them off twice. So, I'll show you what I got here. I got these babies. So, I forget what you actually call these, but it's like a support brace or something like that. They go in the front. So if you look through your grill, see this little bar right here. So that's where they go. So I wanted to change those while I'm changing the grill out. And of course I got them in red because red's my theme for this car. You see the wheel caps. I haven't changed all the logos yet. I'm still working on it. And eventually I was going to wrap the car, but for now I'm holding off because I pay for monthly car washes, and if I wrap the car then I can't get those car washes anymore, and I don't have time to wash the car by hand right now. So, but yeah, I'm gonna install these a little bit later, and then I'm gonna do show you how it looks. I've always wondered if it was just vinyl or if it's an actual piece, and so it's an actual plastic piece. Let me see if I can. Okay, here we are. So I've always wondered if this was vinyl, because I mean, I print vinyl. So originally I was just gonna come out and just put some vinyl over it and call it a day. But as you can see, it's an actual piece. It's like a hard plastic. So we'll see how it fits. I'm excited to see what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on, and we should see those behind the black grill. It should look pretty dope. So I'll update it. Alright guys, I want to show you the new grill, how it came out. So pretty easy install. We've got the bar supports installed inside as well. So the grills themselves, there's 3 tabs. 1, 2, 3 there. 1, 2, 3 at the bottom. And there's one on the left, one on the right. If you look closely, you can kind of see the tabs inside. Now, they are easy to install to a point, but at the same time, it's a very small space to get your hand inside to push the tabs out. So I suggest looking at the new grill before you try to push the tabs in the old one, so you get an idea of how they work and how they come out, and then you can go ahead and push those out. Now to remove these bolts, all you have to do when you open your hood, there's a weather strip here. Remove the weather strip, and you've got like 6 bolts under there. You've just got they just run along this thing right here, and you've got 1 bolt here, and then 1 bolt on that side. Those are for the headlight. So do not remove these bolts. Those are not the bolts you should be removing, but remove this weather strip. Just pull it back or lift it up, and then you'll find the bolts underneath. And I believe it's a T30 and a T20. So super easy, not too hard. If you can get your hand in there once you pull this back, it'll take just a few minutes to get it in. But yeah, I mean, these are good. I'll leave the link. These came from Amazon, and they are quality. But yeah, looks good. Changed the look of your car. So I like it. You guys let me know what you think.